Hey guys, so just like last year, I've consolidated all the worst of the worst pictures and videos throughout the year, and I've put them all into a little video here. It was actually quite a big one, and I've tried to keep it as short as I possibly could. Also from recommendation by Richard Landy, I've tried to keep it a little bit less morbid as well, which you might notice at parts. But before we start, I just want to say thank you to all the technicians in this group for all the support and advice you guys give each other throughout the year. Like, it still amazes me like that we're giving the information so freely, and it benefits us all greatly. So, and the level of knowledge as well in the group as a whole is huge and incredibly valuable just to have in our pockets. I also want to say a big thank you to the suppliers and manufacturers who support this group with your time and your knowledge. You really do make our lives easier on the ground, even though we can be a bit of a headache at times. And I do need to ask one thing of the technicians. It's something that's come up in the past, but be careful of crass statements or product bashing, as it's also called, especially when things are said in the heat of the moment and whatnot, because it can actually push manufacturers away for fear of becoming a target themselves. If you do have an issue with a product, you can contact a manufacturer directly. For us, generally it's only a phone call away. This group is for technical support, learning and advice within our industry. We try to avoid venting of steam, because generally, as we all know, it's probably not a good thing. I also want to say a big thank you to Oftex reps, David Levings and Sean McBride, for the advice and support that you give within this group, but also around the whole country. What you guys have done, for the betterment of the liquid fuel industry as a whole across Ireland, along with the support that you've given technicians across the entire island, is truly fantastic. So, just like last year, I've gone through the entire chat for the year and to see who wrote the most comments. And this year it's Aaron Goodyear. And I didn't actually have any prizes I could do last year, but because of the burner check tester, the prototype that I'm making, what I'm going to do for you, Aaron, is I'm actually going to send one out to you in the new year. And I think as well, because I was using GPT for this, the top technical advice given by one person in the group, surprise, surprise, was Conor McLear actually as well. Have a wonderful Christmas, and I'm wishing everyone a healthy and profitable New Year. Enjoy the video.
You think you've seen it all?
When we never look back, what's going on? Everything is not what they seem to be. All I see is black and white. This is when we never look back, what's going on? Everything is not what they seem to be. All I see is black and white.
And nobody was at that oil pump, no? there, buddy?